Wow, this you can take the picture here. So what there is the sofa, so where you guys can relax here. You can let your hair down here. See the views over there is really nice. Just imagine you guys sitting here with your girlfriends. That's how romantic it is. And see the view here. Wow, that's so sad. I come here alone because I'm single. No girlfriends. Wow, this is wow. Sorry, it's love story Lottie, so I don't know about this one. Since you guys can see is from over there, really nice view. So the road here. So you can see the roads over there. Wow. So from here you guys can take a photo here. So this is, so you can sit here and sightseeing here. You can see it's super beautiful. Wow. This is Hanoi, the capital of Vietnam. So this is how the road traffic over there. So this one is another viewpoint here. It's really cool, yes. Yeah. It's from the distance. As you can see from the distance. This is the viewpoint. Wow. Just can't look down. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. You can go there and take a photo. And then one square. Wow. Let me see. Look down. Look down. Wow.